What up, what up, what up, everybody? So, this is for all the people who didn't want to spend $100, $200 on a webcam, and you really don't have the $500 to $1,000 for a DSLR plus an additional $100, $150 for a cam link. And what this is using something that you already have, which is your cell phone, as a webcam. So I went to search and I learned this kind of just going through. I mean, I knew the possibility was always there. However, I couldn't find anything good. So I have two sources for you. I have JoyCam, which you see me searching for right now. You can get this at the Dev 47 apps. That's where I got it from, and it seems safe enough. So I did that. But always make sure that you check, that you read whatever is on the description for what you're about to download, because it's easier to just search and read and spend the 5-10 minutes reading and understanding than to spend a couple $100 trying to fix your computer. So go ahead and just read. Just make sure that everything's there that you want. If you have an anti-virus software, that's also good to have on your computer as well. But you're going to go ahead and you're going to want to click on JoyCam client. It'll come up with the installer. Go ahead and just run that. I already have it on my computer, so there's no point in reinstalling it. But go through the steps. I put everything in my D drive. I just like to run it from my D drive. It's more space on that one anyway. After that, you have to go to the Android store. I don't have my cell phone connected to my computer at the time, so I'm just going to show you on my computer what it looks like when you go to the Android store. So you're going to go to the apps, Google Play. It's also on iPhone, iOS. You can get it, but also iPhone users, you guys can actually, you guys can either use this program, or Elgato actually has a program that you can use there. I'm not sure what the price is for using that service. I'm pretty sure they have a free version though. And I think they have a premium version. I'm just not sure what that price is. But you guys have a multitude of different options, so that's why I geared this more towards Android users. But when you go to the Android store, you're gonna see the free version of JoyCam first. You can look through it, see what it looks like as far as pictures. Make sure everyone's video quality is gonna be different because you have different phones. So check the quality of your own camera first. If you want, you can actually get the Droid X version, the JoyCam version, JoyCam X version. Sorry guys, one take, baby, one take. You can get the JoyCam X version. It's the premium version. What is the difference? So JoyCam X gives you 1080p at 60 frames per second, and it also removes the watermark. If you get the free version, I believe you don't get the 1080p, and you have a watermark on your thing. I'm not quite sure about the 1080p though, but I do know there's a watermark on your video. So if you're trying to use it for streaming, if you're trying to use it while you work, just be aware that the free version does put a watermark on your video, so they'll see JoyCam in the corner. I believe it's like a blue logo. But while I was searching for this, I actually found JoyCam OBS. Now I'm a streamer, this is why I'm using the camera, so I was very interested to see what this is. And basically what JoyCam OBS is, it's a plugin for OBS, and that's all it is. There's no additional software or anything like that. It's a plugin. It goes straight into the OBS software. It does the same exact thing as JoyCam X. It's just less of a hassle when it comes to user interfaces. So when you use this, if you were a streamer and you're using OBS, or a content creator and you're using OBS, JoyCam X will have a secondary program running where you can kind of edit your video just a little bit, and it's always up while you're using it. But with JoyCam OBS, because it's a plugin, there's no additional software running on your screen. So you can go JoyCam OBS, made by the same people. It's in beta mode right now. So We want to go click on it. You want to, again, make sure that you're looking at everything. But if it's from Dev47 apps, then you're pretty much good. Go ahead and just download it. You don't have to pick a location for any of this stuff because, like I said, it's a plugin. So it'll go straight into the OBS files, and you won't have to deal with additional stuff. So go ahead and run that. As you can see, I run it. This is the first time that I had it. I went ahead and unchecked the Apple because I don't have an Apple iPhone, so I didn't see a need for it. I went it ran it, I finished, and boom, I'm done. It's in OBS and everything like that. Now what I did was I cut it off the video portion of this so I can restart my OBS because I'm recording with OBS. And afterwards, I was here. I simply went up and searched for the JoyCam. You'll see the list here. All you got to do is go to your scenes, then go to your sources, click that plus. Then you'll look up and down for thing. I found it, so we're gonna click on that. And you're gonna set it up. You can kind of see here, there's a whole bunch of things that you could be doing. So yeah, you want to make sure that you click everything that you need to click. If you're gonna do Wi-Fi, just put in your IP that's on your phone when you open up the program on your phone as well. You're gonna put that in. You're gonna make sure that you press activate. The camera will not work until you press activate. And once you do, as you can see here, you'll get the video. This one I didn't put in 1080p, I believe. I put it in 720, I think. So that's why it looks grainy like that. However, you know, you can see the watermark. You can see clearly at the bottom it says Get Pro upgrade to remove watermark from HD videos. And you can see the JoyCam OBS. They kind of force you to go ahead and get this, but you can go ahead and purchase it right on your phone, and then like that, it's gone. So I went ahead and spent the $5.49 for this. So this is good for streamers. If you're a streamer, it is $5.49. You can easily just get it, and now you have a webcam for your OBS system. There is literally like a millisecond lag between it. However, that could be resolved simply by hooking up your USB cord to your phone. And once again, you'll need to put your phone in developer mode. So I'm gonna show you that in just a second, but I want you guys to see, like, you can still do all of this stuff. You can change so many different settings. You can change the autofocus. They have a menu for that. They have a menu for the white balance and exposure, and they have different filters you can put on your phone too to make the coloring a whole lot better. That's me testing out the autofocus. So let's get into the other stuff. Trying to figure out how to put your phone into developer mode. Simply Google it, or you might already know how to, but for those who don't, you can easily Google it. I'll put some links in there to help you out too along the way, but it's a very simple thing. If you just Google it, it says to enable developer options, open the settings screen, scroll down to the bottom, and blah blah blah. But you can go to the videos, and they have tutorials on that as well. That's how I learned anyway. It's very simple. You go to the About Us or About Phone section of your settings, and you have to tap it like 6 times or something like that. All right, and that's it. This is an easy way for any streamer to kind of use their cell phone as a webcam. I want to do more videos like this to kind of give easy ways, but you know, if you like it, make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. All right, have a good one, y'all. Peace.